2022 GMC 6.6 liters of raw power. Anyways, look at this beast. Beautiful, huge, humongous truck. Made for work. Ain't that right, sir?
Yes.
Yes. This is our new recruit right here. High T. Anyways, what we got done on this beautiful beast. Factory converter there, factory converter there. They're massive, by the way. Third converter there, another massive converter. So a total of 3, then 3.5-inch pipe. And what we did is took the massive muffler off, we'll show it to you guys in a second, and put a FLOWMASTER Outlaw, part number 15430. There'll be a link in the description. It's a long one, I think it's 12 inches long. No, 16.75 inches long. Right there, that FLOWMASTER. Then 3-inch pipe, and then we connected it to his 3.5-inch tailpipe, because we can't bend 3.5, guys, so that's why. So if the muffler shop puts only 3-inch, that's why. But it's not gonna restrict it much, because the muffler was very restricted. Into a 5-inch black tip to finish out the look. Came out absolutely beautiful, as you guys can see right there. What is it, Jacob?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. There's the massive canister of a muffler. Look at this thing. You can make it into a grill, a flower pot, whatever you want to do. It's massive, massive. Anyways, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Again, here's sound decibel. Wow, that sounds good. 110, guys. Come on. You like it? Thumbs up, yes? All right. Very nice. How much I gotta back up to fit the whole truck in there, guys? That's crazy how big it is. 6.6 liter. Oh yeah, that sounds really good. That's perfect. There she is. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. .6 liters. Got a charger. Just put Dynamax bullets on it. And here's the 6.6 liters of raw power right there. FLOWMASTER Outlaw. Perfect. Oh, it sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.